Hello friends, very good evening. I'm Archana Krishna here once again. Today we are going to talk about one more small topic about parenting. So today's topic is good parenting. I guess most of parents they are interested, curious, or want to know what is good parenting, what are the tips of good parenting, right? So do you think really a word called good parenting exists? Do you think it is some a good special art of parenting like which makes us to feel it is good parenting? So according to me and my experience, let me put things in this way. Friends, do you think sunset will make us to see the night, or appearance of moon will make us to see the night? Absolutely right. So when the sun disappears, disappearing of light itself is darkness. That is, absence of light is darkness. In the same way, when we lack the natural organic way of parenting, then we think about what is good parenting. So especially we need not think about what is good parenting, but let us all plan our life in such a way that we go with natural parenting just by avoiding the mistakes. Just making things in a right way. Hello Lalit. So how does this happen? What are the usual mistakes? How this natural way of parenting should happen? Friends, what do you think? Like most of us, we will feel bringing up of a child, we will have certain expectations on kids and how we plan to bring up a child. We plan like, molding a clay is equal to bringing up a child, don't we? We always feel like, according to our expectations, whatever we plan, just the child should grow up in that way. They have to fulfill all our expectations. We think they have to perform excellent in education, they have to. We feel they need to be very much disciplined, they have to. If they are not doing that way, either we point at them or we point out like, I'm a bad parent. So do you think exactly whatever we expect, however we want our child to be, is it possible always the outcome will be in the same way? Can I give a small comparison how we need to bring up our child? It's like a beautiful plant in the garden. Just you throw few seeds, do you think the plant grows automatically? No. If you want a beautiful plant with a wonderful fruits or flowers, then how much effort you will keep? Every day you'll be watering the plant and you'll be taking care of the soil, that's the environment, and you will be using the pesticides or anything like, whenever some wrong thing has occupied your plant, don't we? But when coming to our child, we want them to grow naturally as we expect. So do you think it's possible? For a small plant which is there in our garden, for its fruitfulness, we keep a lot of efforts. If more plants are there, we just like, bring a gardener, we keep on grooming up. If plant is going in a wrong way, we cut its leaves and like, organize it in a right way. If at all it's a creeper, you know how you will structure it. Then we need to keep the same effort in bringing up our child. That is parenting. So my dear friends, from hereafter, kindly understand, parenting doesn't mean exactly we think of something and magically it happens in our child. Or else whatever every parent think about their child, immediately the child will turn in that way. But it doesn't happen. It's about all lies in our hands, how we are grooming up. For that, our environment matters a lot. We matter a lot. How much effort we are pouring like water into their life. How much openness we are giving them like air. Right? For a plant like sunlight, air, soil, water, all these are essential things. For a child to grow up, parenting, what are aspects? The environment at home, how much openness you are giving to them, the way you communicate to them, how well you are understanding their perspective of life, all these matter. So friends, today after Never think about planning of what is good parenting. Think about the natural way of parenting so that you create that good organic atmosphere for your child so that your child will blossom like anything. Thank you. See you tomorrow once again with one more wonderful topic.